It is often said the ultimate measure of a man
is not where he stands in moments of comfort,
but where he stands in challenging times.
Bridgestone के साथ मेरा लंबा सफर है.
I'm really proud to be a part of Bridgestone for the real character they have shown.
जिस तरह उन्होंने अपने पार्टनर्स और एम्प्लॉइज को सपोर्ट किया.
Bridgestone has stepped up and delivered on their core values of serving society.
Whether it's supporting hospitals with over 10,000 PPE kits
या फिर 1.5 लाख माइग्रेंट्स फैमिलीज की मदद करना.
Distributing nearly 4,000 emergency survival kits
to stranded truck drivers, women cab drivers and mechanics. They have left no stone unturned.
Bridgestone परिवार का हिस्सा होना मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है.
Let's keep doing our bit
to take care of one and all ahead.
May God bless us all.
Safety first.